This Hisense fridge freezer provides you with instant access to ice-cold refreshments, along with convenient food storage. It's easier than ever to cool down on hot days with crisp and cold chilled water delivered on demand by the integrated water dispenser. Save hassle with no plumbing necessary to enjoy instant refreshments. Simply fill the internal reservoir and keep it topped up. There's no need to spend time and effort defrosting, with ice build-up prevented by total no frost. You'll be able to see across every shelf easily thanks to bright illumination, reaching every corner of your fridge from the efficient LED light.